Pupunta kami ng Drumheller.
Yeah, good morning.
Drumheller.
Alright, mga ka-tribes, pupunta tayo ng Drumheller, no?
Let's go to
Let's go.
Drumheller.
Alright, let's go.
Mabuti nga yun, maganda yung sinisemento yung mga kalsada.
Mantuman yan.
Ganun. Bibigyan kita ng ride sa airport. Wag lang dyan. Pero may bibigyan sa akin ng ride dun sa superstore. Kaya sa 50%. Hindi ko alam pumunta ron, pero dadaling kita sa airport. Ha? Sabi niya. Ala, hindi ko alam mga daan eh. Basta marunong lang ako mag-drive. Kasi nakakatakot din pag hindi mo alam ang way mo. Sabi ni George, "Dear, baka umuulan, malakas ang ulan." Tapos ganyan pantalon mo, "Huwag ka mag-alala, itong pantalon ko itinupi ko lang." Kinalansya ko nga lang. Tinupi ko lang kako yan at mahaba yan, sabi ko. Ang tawag dyan kako, crop pants. Na itutupi mo, na ihahaba mo. Kaya lang, pagka binaba ko, medyo bitin. Ano ba yung pantalon mo na yan, nakabitin. Sabi ni Virgie, crop pants yan. Pagka siya nagsuot, pantalon. Pag ako nagsuot, crop.
Maganda yan, ah.
Ano mga apo mo yung savings account mo?
Ano sabi ng apo mo?
Mama, you need an account. Tinularo siya kami ko. Hindi na siya kumibo. Kahit yung anak ko, tinatanong ko, hindi ako pinasagot ng anak ko. Kasi siguro, ano yung mama ko rito, lalo itong maging adik. Malaki kita yung mga YouTube.
So we stop in Tim Hortons for a while.
Itong ano not
Guys, nandito na kami sa area papunta ng Drumheller. Mga 56 kilometer na lang. Medyo makulimlim. Enjoy nyo.
Wow.
Marami ng magagandang konti dito.
Very nice.
Ha? Yan, no? Look at that.
So, dala-dala
Wow.
yung iPad niya.
Look at that.
Ang hilig niya.
Oh, beautiful, ha? Gorgeous. Ito yung kwan dito. Ito yung tanawin na gustong-gusto ko dito.
Dito sa ano,
Hmm.
sa Drumheller.
Itong area na to.
Ang tagal kong hindi napunta dito, pucha, mahigit 20 years ah.
Oo.
Ilang taon na ba ako dito sa ano? Sa
Ayan, tingnan mo. Ang ganda.
Canada.
Tignan mo yung
28 na ako dito.
Beautiful.
Kabate.
Guys, itong area na to, ito na yung Canadian Badlands. Actually, yung mga nadaanan natin kanina to. Maraming mga dinosaur fossils dito. At patuloy na unti-unti nilang binubungkal. By hand, hindi nila binubungkal ng excavator dahil baka madamage yung mga bones. Oo. Unti-unti nilang kinukut-kut yan.
Macmillan Island. Yeah.
That's right. Actually, parami yung mga nakukuha nilang mga fossil fuel na fossil ba yung bones, no? Ng mga dinosaur.
Yeah,
May
yeah.
laboratory sila diyan para malinis nila.
Look at the shape of the...
Mayroon
Okay
na siya.
naman.
Okay, ano open. Yan, pwede
Okay.
tayo. Kasi may sign yan na kung do not enter.
Ipapost ko yung luma akong picture. Nagpunta ako dito. Ang pet-pet ko. At saka parang bata ako talaga. At yung mga dinosaur ko na binili dito, hanggang ngayon buo pa yun. hinihingi sa akin ni Nadia yun, no?
Parehas lang.
Ah, ito na pala eh.
Sabi ni Nadia, Lola, could I have all your dinosaurs? No,
Maghanap tayo.
that's my souvenir. That's my...
Akala ko malalaki.
Ayan, tignan ko.
Maliliit lang ate, nakalagay.
Very good.
Inumin mo na ito.
Alright, thank God. Nandito na tayo. Guys! Nandito kami.
Ano, malay ko na siya.
Hello!
Hi!
Say hi. Yan mga guys, kami pupunta rito sa viewing area. Okay. Yeah. Yes guys, yeah, makikita ninyo ano. Yeah. Yan. Ito ang viewing area. Yan. Pakyat doon. Okay, let's go up. Yeah. Nandun yung parking area. I think I could be. Yes. Okay lang. Kaya inuna natin dito para may kwan pa kayo, energy pa. Yes. Medyo may kataasan din kasi kaunti ito. Kunin mo siya mama, hintayin mo siya. Halika, hintayin mo siya.
Hindi mo lang, wag ka nang titignan.
Oo.
Sige na, wag ka.
Meron siyang ano, heights, ano niya, lula nga siya.
Nalulula siya.
Baka mahilip pa yun.
Oo. Sige, magpicture lang tayo rito konti. Alright, this is another information board about the Alberta's Fossil Trail, the colorful past. Okay, the Red River Valley Badlands before it took shape a little over 1,400 years. But the rock layers of the Badlands reveal a history that goes back millions of years. There, okay. As you could see, yeah. These are the dinosaurs. Yeah. So we are actually here now, Drumheller. Okay. Midland Provincial Park. Localities Grand Prairie, Edmonton, Red Tyrrell, and Drumheller. So yeah, that's the coordinate there. North 51.28.062, west 112.45.474. Okay. All right. So the two ladies are there. Okay. Yeah, out of order. Usually there's a telescope in here, so they block it because of the COVID, you know. They block this one. Okay, it's High Spy Master View 2. Okay, yeah, High Spy Master View. Yeah. So that's the Royal Tyrrell Museum. We'll be going there soon. Manang Luz is there. Bababa na kami mamaya dyan, Manang. Okay, I'll take a shot. Okay. Okay. So unfortunately guys, we're not able to go inside today because of the pandemic. There is advance booking ticketing online, and since it's on last day that we have decided to come here, so yeah, we're not able to get a ticket. It's sold out. It's summer guys, so people are really so eager to go out despite the risk of catching COVID-19. As you could see, the appearance, it's like prehistoric also, you know. Look at that, eh? Yeah. As if that is a claw of a dinosaur, the one over there. Yeah, the one that I'm pointing with my finger. Those are the three ladies there. Okay. So guys, actually that's the view deck over there, and the Royal Tyrrell Museum is over there. There. Okay. And yeah, this is the Badlands interpretive trail, you know. As you could see here, I might take a close up. Yeah. There. For the park's protection, do not remove or disturb any rocks, fossils, plants, or animals. Keep your pet on a leash and remove waste. Yeah. Potential hazards include jagged rocks, cacti, and thorny plants. The ground surface temperature can be very hot, up to 50 degrees centimeter in summer. Yeah, alright. Okay, but that's very rare, I think. Yeah, this small hill is full of bentonite clay. Bentonite was formed from ancient volcanic ash deposit millions of years ago. It looks harmless like gray popcorn, but any amount of pressure causes bentonite to swell and become very greasy and slippery. For your own safety, we encourage you to stay on the main trail. Alright, bentonite. This one. From volcanic ash. Hello. Oh, yes. Alright. Okay. So we'll go up, guys. We'll go up. Yeah. Okay. Just stay on the trail, he said. Hello. Okay. All right. So let's go.
Naka-RV mga yan.
Yeah. Let's go, guys. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah. Okay. This is the 5th time that we came here, but as I mentioned a while ago, this is actually my first time to walk the trail, you know, because before we are always in a hurry, you know. We do a lot of side trip before. So we just take a look from the distance, from the viewing area. Yeah, that's the viewing area now. Okay. So this is how it looks.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together outdoors, forever free.
This area is not well marked and is not recommended for travel on foot. Please stay on the main trail to ensure that the landscape remains as unspoiled as possible. Okay, so we are here. So that's a big loop also, you know, that if you will follow, yeah, it's going down that trail over there. You see those young family there, and you have to walk all the way up. Oh yeah, those are trails also there.